My channel. Today we will learn about Google Hangouts, an important and amazing feature for calling and business meetings and business video calling. As you can see, there's an options of video call, phone call and message. I already sent him an invitation, but I think he didn't accept it yet, or he's not online maybe. Well, concluded. First you have to invite a person. If he accepts, then you can make a video call, a simple audio call, or other calls. As you can see, I'm trying in front of you, as this is a live practical. You can invite to a name or email address, enter the name. Yeah, I'm inviting him. You can invite a number of people. You are only one here. Invite people, or you can do a lot of things. Phone call and text message. First you have to enter your number. Phone calls and other options. You can download the apps of Google Hangout application. Thanks, take care, subscribe my channel.